Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import skins in Minecraft Bedrock. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. To start with, you want to be on this menu page and select dressing room down here. Now as you can see, this is all the skins you have available. However, if you click on this green icon here on the left, you can see your classic skins. Now I don't actually own the currently, so we're going to show you how to do one. Now if you first want to click on this own skin, and as you see here, there's an option to choose new skin and import image files. However, if you've not gotten one downloaded yet, we're going to show you how to download one. Now as you can see, I'm on this website called minecraftskins.com, and what you can do now is simply look through all of them and see which one you like. This one's quite cool, water wipe from Breaking Bad. I'm going to select this, when I look for the download button, which is right here, and click download. So now I've saved my computer. I'm going to put it on my desktop so it's easier to find in a second. So now you want to head back in Minecraft. Okay, so we're back on the screen, and you want to select choose new skin, but then show your PC files, and you can then choose the skin which just downloaded a second ago. They give you this option here to choose your skin type. I'm gonna go for the bigger one, and as you can see, it's now in. And if you go back, you can see now my skin has actually changed. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.